How Kimosabi? Me Trevor. Me creatum howtotelekinesis.com and me faithful student of Avatar Energy Master.com. And today we shall summons the rain. Hey-ya, hey-ya, hey-ya.
Oh, great. Now this doofus thinks he's an Indian. If I had an arrow, I'd shoot him in the throat.
Okay, this is me on Sunday, April 27th, 2014, sitting in my office. I just got done doing my chores. And you know how when you're outside and you kind of feel that electrical charge in the air and you can just kind of feel like rain or a storm coming? Well, it was kind of like that. And I don't know what the predictions were. I haven't watched mainstream television since 2004, and I very seldom listen to public broadcast radio. So I don't know what the predictions were, but I can tell you I didn't create this storm. That's why I used the word summoning. But there was moisture and electricity already in the air when I started doing this. And I don't know what your belief systems are, but anybody who's been working on like things like aerokinesis and things, it's quite obvious that our thoughts and emotions have a lot to do with the weather. I mean, direct reflection, if you ask me. So, I was a little leery about posting this because, this isn't going to prove anything to anyone. But it did give me an opportunity to kind of just let you guys know that the potential for this is there. And if you have the faith and practice and just believe what you can do, we could probably steer some of these bad hurricanes away from people just through whatever word you want to use, thought, prayer, intentions. And there's some truth to it, and there's a lot of people out there that believe as I do. And as you'll see here, what I'm doing is just with my hand motion, I'm basically just imagining the drops landing in my hand and giving gratitude for that rain, and mentally thinking about accumulating the rain in the clouds and it getting heavy and dropping down to me, just kind of pulling in some wind there just to kind of stir up and get some precipitation falling. There you can see some storm clouds rolling in here. So it's more of a cooperation, and I'm not trying to take credit for every drop that falls or anything like that. But I want you to notice here in just a minute, when the rain does start, notice that it starts right in front of me. 3 big drops. That's the first drops you see for quite some time. And as the video progresses, you can see that it kind of rains more so in my area before it does elsewhere. So, I don't know. I mean, like I said, that's not living proof or anything, but I know for a fact that I have some influence on the weather, and I thought I would put this out there and let some other people mess with this. There's HAARP, and there's rain dancing, and there's seed clouding. But to tell you the truth, strength is in numbers. And if we all realize that we have the ability to at least influence, if not manipulate the weather, then we can take over and start creating, ideal weather patterns for everyone globally. I truly believe that if we unleash our full powers, we can create heaven on earth, and the weather's a big part of that. And then we get into the manifestation, and pretty soon we have no need for this monetary system and all these rules and regulations and false religions and everything. We can create a reality. And don't worry, it's not going to be used for evil. I've found that there's kind of a fail-safe mechanism. The powers are only granted to people of integrity, and if you're not going to do good things with it, I have a feeling you're not going to get much of anything. And if you're not trying to unlock these powers, guys, you're not going to find them. So start believing in yourself. And if you want to be telepathic, shut up for a few days. If you want to be able to predict the future, start predicting the next car that's going to come over the hill, and start practicing and pursuing these abilities, guys. It's there, I promise you. And proceed with love, respect, and I wish you all the best. Good day, God bless, and namaste.